Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Today I have a few Amazon hauls. They're very small haul, but I've got a few to share. Just they've come in individual envelopes again. So I have 4 here to share with you guys. And let's get into it. Uh-oh, I think I just cut one open. Whoops. Sure did. Well, get out of the way. I didn't open this beforehand. Oh, yes. Finally, I got the boo. I was waiting for this. And it's finally here. Everyone's already used this die for Halloween, so I'll just maybe cut a few and save it for next Halloween, and it'll be ready. So it's like that, and it's got the stitched edge, and it's got the shaker piece here. So I picked that up. And these are all, I ordered these all on the same time, and as usual, they're all coming in from different directions, so it's coming in separate. I don't know why. Okay, so here's some more sentiments. Yes. So yes, thanks to our girl Christian, I had to build my stash of word outlined, you know, the ones with the outline. So this one says flourish. This one says blooms. Oh, these are attached. Okay, well, just take it apart. This one says blooms. Does that say blooms? No, that does not say blooms. I don't know what it says. Here we go again. Eileen can't read backwards. This one says shine. And this one says grow and bloom. And I believe this one flourish? No. Who knows? I don't know. Anyway, you guys have seen this die set, so I am just playing catch up with all the word dies, and I love it because they got the background. That's exactly what I was going for. And you also can make them into shakers if you just keep them together. You could cut out the center and it can become a shaker. So too easy. This one is another word set. And this says sweater weather. Yes. And this one says have a cup of cheer and hot chocolate weather. Yeah, this is really testing my brain. Cold hands, warm hearts, and this one is the magic of winter or something. Yeah, magic of winter. So I'm excited for these because they're gonna look so great with the foam. So that's the third. Oh, I can't count. Can't count and I can't think. And here is another one. Yes, girl, yes. My cookie sheet is here. Yeah, baby. This is the cookie sheet with the cookies. This is a KS Craft. They're all KS Craft dies. So, and I ordered them through Amazon. So if you're interested, go into Amazon, into your search bar, and just type in KS Craft dies. And I don't know if this is still available. I think it is. But the word has the outline for it. It's so cute. There's your cookie sheet. And the cookie sheet measures, let's see. Oh, 5 inches. Yes. It's a good size, 5 by 3. So really nice size cookie sheet. And then you've got a gift tag, a Santa belt. I believe that's his beard. There's an elf collar. You've got a gingerbread house. You got 2 styles, or actually the layering piece for the gingerbread. I don't know what that part is for. Might be for the snowman or something. I don't know. But you got a snowman cookie, you got a coffee cup cookie, and it also has embossing, so you can see the face here, them stars. You have a Christmas tree cookie. There's your gingerbread man. Look at his face. He's got like a squinting eyes. And then you have the candy cane cookies. Oh my gosh, so many pieces. So here are like a cookie with like 2 halves. You've got the star cookie here. You got 2 actually. Might be another layering piece. I don't know. This is like the foam for the top of your mug right there. There's, I think this is the beard for the elf. And then, so that's funny. I guess you could dress the gingerbread man as an elf or Santa. I'm not sure. But there's the snowman's hat. I gotta look at some pictures. And these little tiny pieces here. There's a little bow tie there. You could put that on the gingerbread man. Super cute die set. I love the words. Definitely the ho. Ho, ho, ho. Yeah, definitely those. So these are all KS Craft dies. And they all came in individual envelopes for some freaking reason. I don't know. And they're all on Amazon, KS Crafts. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little tiny video. And I'll see you all on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.